Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am going to tell some easy steps to solve 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube with the help of two easiest moves, that is right trigger and left trigger. These are the only two steps which are used to solve this Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. To solve this Rubik's Cube, you need to have a scrambled cube like this. Wait, I just scramble it. This. Proper scrambling is required. I'm damn sure that your cubes are scrambled as you have not learned how to solve this cube. It must be the fun with you to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. As I want to say that it is not solved by the faces, whereas it is solved by the layers. Basically, a cube 3 by 3 cube has 3 layers: 1, 2, and 3, and these whole is called a face. These are called the pieces. The corner pieces has 3 faces, as you can see here: yellow, orange, and blue. Whereas the edge pieces has only 2 faces, orange and green. And this corner same. And center pieces are those pieces which have their own fixed position, as they don't move, whereas the corner as well as edge pieces moves, as you can see. So let's get started. To solve this Rubik's Cube, you need to have a scrambled cube. First, you have to make a cross on the white, having the same colors here, and here. So I have an easy step to do this. As you can see, you can make a cross of white having yellow as a center, and then joining this and rotating to form a plus sign on the white cube. So as I'm here to implement this. I have made white cross having yellow as a center, then join and blue center this. Right, it is already joined. It is not joined, so here. As we have completed the first step, don't worry if you have a corner piece like this, it doesn't matter. Only a white cross having the same colors on the sides matters. So the next step is to find a white piece on the third layer. I found this piece. Then I have to join the orange piece with the orange center. Here it is. This is joining same color. Then we have to apply left trigger R prime. Okay. For the notations, you can visit my next video for the notations. Thank you. This having green, so I have to find green center, join, then left trigger, then apply orange, right trigger, R prime, and one more. If you have found a piece on the bottom layer, then there is no need for any worry. You can move this upwards with the help of a left trigger. As you can see here, I found a white piece on the bottom layer, so apply left trigger. This I have transferred from the bottom layer to the third layer. Finding the red center, I have found, applying left trigger. This. As you can see, the white face is fully solved, whereas the bottom layer is also solved. For the second layer, you just have to find a edge piece only HPs are required. For the second layer, you just focus on this 1 2 3 4, only 4 pieces, without having yellow as a face color. So blue, match it to the blue, orange and orange. You have to turn opposite to the face. So orange I am turning opposite, then applying left trigger, this, joining the bottom with the right trigger, this and this and this. Now you have to join the blue to blue, red, so you have to do opposite, turn one, then applying right trigger like this, then finding the red face to the white piece, red, like this. Now you have arranged the red and blue piece in such a way that they are in the correct position. Now orange to orange, green, it is green, so opposite turn, then applying left trigger, then this, then right trigger, then this, in correct position. Now I have to arrange, we have to twist these pieces. So I can found one green, I have found this green piece, I have to switch the position. So first you have to turn opposite to the red face, then applying left trigger, then again with the red center, then this. As you can see, I have shift this piece to here. So joining right to right, and then left opposite to this color, left trigger, and this right, and this. Now it is correct, in the correct position. Our second layer as well as first layer as well as the white face is, as you can see, we have done the second layer as well as white face. Now we'll focus on the top. For solving the third layer, you need to apply some important algorithms which I have written here. You can take this as a screenshot if you want to, as I have written all the algorithm with the situations on the top as the algorithm on the right. For the notations, you need to visit my second video for the notations. So let's get started with the third layer. Now we have to focus on the top. It is having a L shape like this. L shape. You have to arrange the L shape in such a position that you will focus on this, as your face should be focused on this, and it should be placed in such a in such a way that they are arranged in 9 and 12 position on the clock, as I have written here. In case you are having a L shape on the top, rotate in such a way that they are arranged in the 12 and 9 position on the clock. It is on 12, it is on 9. So apply this algorithm now. F U R U prime R prime and F. So these are arranged like this, arranged in this position. Now it is in the position 12 and 9. So again we apply the first algorithm here. Algorithm F U R U prime R prime and F prime. As you can see here, I have applied the same algorithm as I have written. Now we are having a line. So I have written here, in case you are having a line or nothing except a yellow face on the center, so apply this algorithm, as this algorithm is same as this algorithm. So let's start having a line. arrange the line in the vertical position to you. F U, look at this, U R R U prime R prime and F. So you can see a second layer as well as face is not disturbed, whereas the formation change in this again we are having this 12 and 9 position, F U R R U prime R prime and F prime. This is, oh, we have got a fish. Now we have to apply this algorithm as it is written. In the case you are having a fish shape on the top, then apply this algorithm. This is not prime, okay, this is not prime, this is the cutting. Sorry, I have made this cutting because I was just a little confused. Now arrange the shape of the figure fish like this, shape of the fish like this, okay. Then apply the algorithm R prime U R U, then R prime, then U and U, then R, as I have written here. Please note down this algorithm in your copy so that you can learn it and you can do this without paper. Now my top face is totally complete with having the bottom face as white complete, having both the layers finished. So algorithms are used for obtaining the plus sign on the top, but we have not obtained the plus sign, we have directly jumped to the face. In case you are having plus signs, use this algorithm. In case after obtaining the plus sign on the top, then apply this algorithm. For this, please apply this, okay. If two sides pieces have the same color, then check the center pieces are in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. For clockwise this, anti-clockwise this. Now we have to do, now I am having the two corner pieces having same color, whereas the center piece is not in the same color, but all of them are not right. So you have to hold the piece having the same corner pieces in this and your left side, then apply the same plus sign algorithm. As you can see, L U R U prime L U and then R. As you can see, I have used same algorithm like this. Now I have obtained the same figure of the fish, then apply this algorithm in this F U R U prime this and this, okay. Now our top face is totally complete, bottom complete, having two corner pieces with the same color. Oh, it is fully solved. Yes, it will be solved. Three faces in this situation, our three faces will be totally solved, whereas the three faces will have the middle changed. So you have to arrange in such a way, you have to arrange in such a way that the middle edges would change the positions. You have to arrange this piece like on this on this. It is going anti-clockwise. So for obtaining to change the pieces on the edge position, so you have to apply the anti-clockwise direction algorithm. So let's get started, but you have to face this opposite to the solved face, like blue is solved in my case, so we have to face opposite to this for the anti-clockwise. This F 2 times 1 2 U prime L prime R F2 times 1 and 2, then L, then R, then U prime, then 2 times F1 and 2. I have applied this algorithm and I got this complete cube solved. For any queries, please ask me in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe. If you found this video good and found this useful, please subscribe and share to your friends so that your friends would also able to solve this 3x3 Rubik's cube on their own without any disturbance. So hope you like this video. I am aiming this video for 1k likes. Thank you. Thank you all for giving your time to me. Thank you. Bye bye.